guys, I'm Caidence, and this is Daddy. Wait, Daddy. Daddy, I heard that you had a surprise for me.
What? Oh yeah, are you talking about that Hot Wheels monster truck epic loot challenge?
Yeah, that, Daddy.
Oh yeah, I fed that to the dogs.
No!
Nah, buddy, I'm just playing. Let me go get it. So we have here Hot Wheels monster trucks.
Epic Loot Challenge!
All right, kids, we're getting ready to open this. It's gonna be super fun, but you may need your parent to help you open it.
We finally got that put together. Guess what, buddy? I'm gonna be the twin mill racer.
And I'll be the monster truck.
Let's play, buddy. Ready, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
All right, push the button. Oh, we tied. Want to try it again?
Yeah.
All right.
Now it's funny.
Gotta make sure you put your thing back, man. Put your thing back. All right. You gonna go backwards?
Oh.
Go! Oh, dude, it jumped.
It was like...
Right. Hand me the race car.
It was like...
It sure did, buddy. Let's get these things put back. Here we go. All right, go ahead, buddy. Oh. Go. Oh.
Oh, this looks like fun. Can I play, Daddy?
You sure can, honey bear.
You can be...
You can use my twin mill racer.
Ooh, you're going down, kid. Not against my monster truck.
I'll be the judge of that. All right, guys, let's go. Oh, that was a close one, but the winner of the Hot Wheels Epic Monster Truck Loot Challenge, Honey Bear.
What?
All right, there you go, guys.
Oh, I won
Hey,
it.
thanks for hanging out with us today and watching our Hot Wheels Epic Loot Challenge. Please subscribe and give us 2 thumbs up.
Winner of
And
the
come on back and see us play again.
Bye,
And
everyone.